charity to do this stuff. And even doing this stuff through a church is still against the law. You can't do it if you put it on video. If you do it anonymously, that's fine, but you can't put anything on video, so bear that in mind if you're just starting blogging. You can't show people taking things off you, or you're giving them money or anything like that. You'll find yourself in trouble pretty quickly. And I know my channel gets watched because one of the reasons I had to stop was I got warned that I had to stop. So just bear that in mind. Right, I've got some more information, and the information is I've got no information, because basically nobody knows anything. All they know is a foreigner is going to sponsor some kids for school, but they don't know how many families or how many kids. Or, well, he'll probably tell us anyway. So it's always a busy day in paradise, guys. And if you come here, you can get involved in all this if you wish, but it has to be anonymous. You can't put it on video.
Which one you happy? Live here on the, like this one, or in Caraya, remember?
Oh no, here. Yeah. Because there's more people, there's loads of kids around playing, and there's always something happening, isn't there? Camarines, it's dead. It's like living in the UK. Yeah, there's nobody here. Hello.
The only that is good there is
the only thing that's good there is what?
I forgot. Rice. What's it called? Rice field.
The rice field, the scenery. Yeah, the scenery's brilliant. I say, I don't know if you can see, because the sun's directly in the camera here, but there, look, there's a coconut tree, well, two coconut trees going through the house. They built the house around the coconut trees. I mean, that's crazy, isn't it? I've just had a lumpia from there, but they're not as good as the lumpia that her cousin sells. The Vused Old, that's the lumpia, because I didn't want it. The Vused Old oil, you can taste its old oil. But the kids and the families around here eat it, because that's what they're used to. I want to try that fresh lumpia. It's, what's it called? Maligan. What? Amaligan. Kamaligan. See? There's no way I'm learning Tagalog, is there? So there's plenty of families here wanting some free tuition. And a lot of these families are eligible as far as I can see. Because when we were doing the walk round...
You know why they put the wheel there on the roof?
Know why they what, babe?
Wheel.
Wheel? What wheel?
On the roof.
No. To keep the metal down from blowing off?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think screws would be better, but there you go. That's just crazy me. So we'll wait till the foreigner comes and see what he's got to say, eh?
Yeah.
You see, guys, I keep getting misinformation. Right? Right? Now, foreigners are supposed to be coming, but as I said to her, no, there won't be a foreigner come. There'll be somebody that comes on his behalf. And sure enough, they're from Indonesia. Filipina, Indonesia. Right, I guess the foreigners then. I was expecting a Westerner sort of foreigner. Right, okay. And the part of a church. Yeah. And they've brought gifts of drinks so we can all be merry. Where's the MP light and the gin? San Mig. Oh, we got some toothbrushes as well. Dental hygiene. Always good.
There's a toy.
Huh?
There's a toy.
There's a what?
Toy.
Toy as well. I think my hearing's getting bad.
It's alright.
It's alright.
I'm your eyes, I'm your ear, I'm your nose.
You're gonna have to translate, babe, what they're laughing and clapping for, yeah? Indonesia. Yeah. So they're Indonesian foreigners working for the church. Well, there must be. Wow. We'll go over there, babe, so you can hear what they're talking about.
Oi, marimok ka na. Oi, marimok ka. Gama ka marimok.
I mean, this is really good what they've done, because they've sat them all down, so there's not going to be any craziness if they're giving anything out. But of course, famous last words here. Oh, he's got a little chicken, he's thrown it up in the air, look. Oh my God. Oh, that's great. Yeah, that's lovely. You know what to say? It's more fun in the Philippines? Most definitely. Most definitely. Right. I've now got some correct information. I've actually gone up and spoke to this guy here. Now, he's part of the local church. He's Filipina, and these are Indonesian. These two, the girl and this guy, and that's this guy's wife in the orange top. Is it orange? And I think there's been a bit of misinformation with the locals as well, because a lot were under the impression that they were going to sponsor school positions, and that's not what they're doing. They're just doing actually what they're doing now, English. So it's Indonesian church has come over here, and they're sponsoring different programs. One of the programs is school positions, but it's not that today. So I think there'll be a few disappointed people here, won't they? Because they were thinking the kids were going to get a paid school program. So that's really it, guys. That's the video. We thought it was going to be something different, but it's not. And there's Naughty Matthew, who is a nightmare, aren't you, baby? He's going to be a handful. Oh my God, I thought I could smell fish. Dried fish really makes me heave. So
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our video.
And don't forget to visit our website at BrittonThePhilippines.com. Thanks to our very good friend and patron, Christopher Monk. Thanks, Chris. We appreciate it. And we'll see you on the next video, guys. Bye.
Flying kiss na lang.
Yep. Kiss. Ah. Good boy. Not too many. Bye-bye. Beautiful eyes.
roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy.